Pandas, split data frame into multiple when condition is true. I have a data frame, like df below. I want to create a new data frame for every chunk of data where the condition is true, so that it would be returned df_1, df_2, df_n. My only idea is to loop through the data frame, returning the start and end index for every chunk of true values, then creating new data frames with a loop going over the returned indices, returning something like this for each start/end pair. But doing that seems inefficient.
This is an alternative solution. Note the consecutive underscore groups recipe is from more_tools library.
Create dictionary of data frames by series created by sum of inverted Boolean column and add nans for no groups by where.
I decided to provide an answer that places each value into its own column.
If you want it similar, please consider subscribing.